Hello students, how are you all? Today I am going to teach you a very important topic, that is functions of management. When we talk about functions of management, we mean the work of management. Whatever the work that management does in the organization is known as functions of management. Now the question is, what work the management do in the organization? The management plans whatever work is to be done. After planning, organizes the various resources which are required for the completion of the work. After that, the management has the people who are going to work in the organization for the management. And after that, the management is going to provide instruction to the employees regarding what to do, when to do, and how the work is to be completed. And after guiding, motivating, providing instruction, comes the checking of the performance of the employees, whether the employees are doing the work correctly or not. If the employees are not doing the work correctly, then corrective action has to be taken by the management. That is all that we will study in functions of management. Now starting with the first function of management, that is planning. Now what is planning? Planning is deciding in advance, thinking in advance, or preparing in advance regarding what to do, when to do, how to do, and by whom to get the work done by others. So this preparation for the future, that how we are going to perform the work in future, this deciding in advance for the future is known as planning. Now we come to the second function of management, that is organizing. Listen, organizing refers to assignment of duties, grouping tasks, establishing authority and responsibility relationship, allocation of the resources required to carry out a specific plan. In simple words, after the plan has been made, we need resources to carry out the plans that has already been made by the management. Now, this assembling of resources, and after the assembling of resources, we allocate the resources, we make use of the resources to carry out the plan. And along with this, we also establish authority and responsibility relationship. That means we establish superior and subordinate relationship. That means who is going to issue instruction, who is going to receive instruction, that is all. So what we have studied in organizing? In organizing, we will talk about assembling of resources, we talk about allocation of resources, we talk about assignment of duties and responsibilities, we also talk about grouping or categorizing the work, and we also talk about the establishing of superior and subordinate relationship. That is all we talk about organizing. Now comes the third function of management, that is staffing. Staffing means finding the right person for the right job at the right time. That in simple words, hiring the employees who are going to work for the organization and providing them training and development so that they can make best use of the available resource in the organization. Now comes the fourth function of management, that is directing. Directing means leading, influencing, motivating employees to perform the task assigned to them. In simple words, directing means providing leadership, influencing the behavior of the employees, and motivating the employees so that the employee can give his 100% to the organization. That is all we have in directing. Now we have arrived at the last function of management, that is controlling. Controlling is a monitoring function of management. Why it is a monitoring function of management? Because in this we monitor the actual performance of the employees. In controlling, first of all, we fix a standard at which the employee has to work in the organization. After fixing the standard, we measure the actual performance which the employee has done in the organization. And after finding out the actual performance, we match the actual performance of the employee with the standard performance. And if there is any deviation in the actual performance, then the management takes corrective action so that those deviation can be removed and the employee can perform up to the standard performance. So that is we have in control. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe the channel to get more videos. Thank you.